Move over. Ordinary fruits, there's a new star in town. And it's fuzzy, juicy, and oh so sweet. Say hello to the peach, the golden gem of summer that's not just a treat for your taste buds but a total game changer for your health. Let's peel back the layers and discover why peaches are the ultimate must-have in your diet. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like. Number 1. Peaches are a hydration hero. With over 85% water content, they're like a refreshing splash of summer that keeps you cool, hydrated, and glowing. Who needs a water bottle when you've got peaches? Number 2. They're a skin savior. Packed with vitamins A and C, peaches boost collagen production, fight wrinkles, and give you that sun-kissed glow. Forget filters, peaches are the real beauty hack. Number 3. Digestion delight. Peaches are rich in fiber, keeping your gut happy and your system running smoothly. Say goodbye to bloating and hello to feeling light as a feather. Number 4. They're a weight loss wonder. Low in calories but high in flavor, peaches satisfy your sweet tooth without the guilt. Snack smarter, live better. Number 5. Heart health heaven. Peaches are loaded with potassium and antioxidants that lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Your heart will beat stronger with every bite. Number 6. Immunity in every bite. With a powerhouse of vitamin C, peaches help your body fight off infections and keep you feeling unstoppable. Who's got time for sick days? Number 7. They're a stress buster. Peaches contain magnesium, which helps calm your nerves and reduce anxiety. One bite, and you'll feel the stress melt away. Number 8. Eye candy for your eyes. The beta-carotene in peaches supports vision health and keeps your eyes sharp. See the world more clearly with peaches on your plate. Number 9. They're a detox dynamo. Peaches help cleanse your liver and kidneys, flushing out toxins and leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. And finally, number 10. They're pure joy in every bite. Whether you're grilling them, blending them into smoothies, or eating them fresh off the tree, peaches bring a burst of sunshine to every meal. So, what are you waiting for? Grab a peach and let this golden fruit work its magic. Your body, your taste buds, and your mood will thank you. Peaches aren't just a fruit, they're a lifestyle. Peaches, the sweet secret to a healthier, happier you.